everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are making 5 adorable mini notebooks that are easy and super cute. Let's get started. Start with a colorful sheet of paper, fold it in half, then half again to make a little booklet. Use a pair of scissors to cut along the fold lines, creating individual pages. Tag them together, fold again and secure the spine with a stapler or some washi tape. Decorate the cover however you like. Add stickers, doodle or your name. Take a long strip of paper and fold it according style. For notebook 2, the pocket-sized flip book. This will create a fun flip book effect. For the cover, use a thicker piece of cardstock. Fold it in half and glue the first and last pages of your accordion inside. Don't forget to add some cute designs or messages to each page. Notebook 3, the button closure notebook. Grab a small piece of fabric for a soft cover look. Fold some paper sheets in half for the pages. Stack them inside and sew along the fold to bind them together. Add a button on the front cover and a little string from the back for a charming closure. It keeps your note secure and adds an extra touch of style. For notebook 4, the heart-shaped notepad. Draw and cut out heart shapes from paper. Stack them together and staple at the top edges. For a more polished look, cover the staple area with a strip of decorative tape or ribbon. Now you have a lovely heart-shaped notepad for jotting down quick thoughts of sharing sweet notes. For notebook 5, the matchbook notebook. Cut a piece of cardstock into a rectangle, then fold the bottom up to create a small flap. Fold the top over to meet the bottom edges. Insert some smaller pieces of paper inside the flap and staple them at the bottom. Flip the top back down and there you go. A cute little matchbox style notebook that's perfect for quick sketch sheets or lists. There you have it. 5 mini notebooks that are cute, easy and oh so fun to make. Which one will you try first? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative inspiration. See you next time.